In front of me I've got Amazon Luna. In this video we'll check if there are age-rated games on this service. In order to check it, let's go to Game Library. Go to Genre, and for example Horror. Let's select Game. And as you can see, next to every game we've got the PEGI sign. Games on Luna display ESRB ratings and content warnings. This helps parents and players choose age-appropriate games. Ratings are visible in the game library and detail pages. You can restrict them in parental controls. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.